Hello, guys. I wanted to let you in on this awesome alarm app I found. It's completely revamped my morning routine. I was tired of the same old buzzer, so I searched the App Store for Alarm for Spotify and landed on Alarmify. Here's how it works. Download and launch, grab Alarmify from the App Store and open it. Connect your account. It'll prompt you to link your Spotify. Tap Connect, wait a moment, and you're good to go. Set your wake up. Time, choose the hour and minute you want your alarm. Pick your song, hit Select Alarm Sound, type in any track you love and confirm. That's all there is to it. From now on, you'll wake up to whatever song you like. Seriously, swapping the default alarm for your favorite music makes mornings feel a lot brighter. Give it a try and see how it transforms your start to the day. If you give it a shot, drop a comment below with the song you chose, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips that make adulting a little less painful. Catch you in the next one, and here's to brighter mornings.